We got the highly requested coconut shrimp. And of course, we got 1315 shrimp, which just means they're going to be fat. Like, look at them. And it's going to go ahead and peel it off, but you want to keep the tail on that bitch. And you can season it with a little salt and pepper and some Cajun. Now you're gonna want to get 3 bowls ready for coating. You can get one with flour, one with an egg, with season them both with salt and pepper, and then the last one has some coconut shreds into it. And you're gonna go ahead and fillet them fuckers on the poo part, and just gonna do like that. And you're gonna be nice. Go flour, egg, coconut, pack it in. Do that for all of them. Now we're gonna get a sauce and go like a cup of water. Bring that up to a simmer. Add like 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix that up, let that dissolve. And again, add into there like 2 cloves of minced garlic and like a teaspoon or a tablespoon of chili flakes, depending how hot you want it. And you're gonna add a cornstarch slurry, just some water and some cornstarch, and pour that in. Bring that to a simmer, and it's gonna heat up. Then you're gonna bring some frying oil up to heat. I'm using some canola oil. You could use vegetable oil too. It's gonna be real quick, like a minute and 5 seconds each side, golden brown. Take it out. Yes, sir.